To activate automatic translation when watching a video on YouTube, follow these steps. 1. Open the YouTube website or app and search for the video you want to watch. 2. Click on the video to start playing it. 3. Look for the settings icon, represented by a gear or 3 dots, usually located at the lower right corner of the video player. 4. Click on the settings icon, and a menu will appear. 5. In the menu, click on Subtitles, CC, or Captions. 6. Another menu will appear with various subtitles in the chosen language. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until the next video, be thankful, be happy.